Hey guys, so this is my another video. I wish you all like a very happy Friday, like from Bali. This is the Friends Beach Club, and I'm just taking you know like on the beach when I was arriving like 3 years ago. Hi, how are you? Thank you. From here, you have to visit my tattoo studio. So this is actually like the Eco Beach. I came here like today. It's just like 3 years ago, so it's like my anniversary. So I just like wanted to show you know like how this looks like in here. So let's take a walk like from Eco Beach to sandbar on Batu Bolong. It's a little bit hard like walk in the shoes, but because of my choice, I don't have like any place you know like in my backpack anymore. So what do you think? This is actually, I'm so happy you know like that Bali actually it's getting you know like already better, because it wasn't like that like before. But as you can see, it's already full of people who are enjoying their time you know like by the ocean every day. You can go like for the walk like with your dog, or just like walk the dog. You can go like for the day, take a surf. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? So amazing, you know, like to have like 360 GoPro camera. However, let's get back to my story like today, and that's it. Like that I came, you know, like by myself like 3 years ago, just like recover myself after the long time relationship. And this place actually you know like it's so magical. It can give you know like everything. Like what are you looking for? Hi. So this is actually the beach you know like when I spend up you know like most of my time before. I just like take you know like every time my headphones, just like sitting on the beach. You can like watch the waves, listen to your favorite music, and let me tell you like it's amazing. This place you know like we will pass you know like right now, it's full of like barrooms or beach bars. Oh my god, like I'm sweating you know like it's like impossible. I can take you know like I swear I can take maybe like 10 showers per day, you know like it's for nothing. You just like turn off and yeah, just like sweat like again. So this is the place you know like what I'm like talking about. Everybody are so friendly, everybody are just like, I don't say like you don't have to like watch out yourself, because there's like so many raps you know like in these days, especially like onto the street. So you every time like you have to watch out. So, oh my god, like it's so hard to know like to walk in the street. So this would be you know the hidden beach bar. I like the place as well. You can spend the time like in here. Yeah, you can spend the time like in here if you want to like I don't know like play the table pool, just like have a calm place to stay and to spend the night. I have to like go there. Such an amazing place, don't you think? I will take you here, you know, like next time, like as well, because as it now I have like maybe like 30%, you know, like of my battery. But I'm very happy, you know, like I could fix my camera, because I mean it was full of sand, and today, you know, like I fixed it, so I can make you know like another video for you, and that's amazing. I'm so happy about it. maybe like for some corn, but later. Also you can take sorry, also you can buy, you know, like corn in here, everything. Enjoy your time with the cold bintang. I don't say like bintang is good, but it's not good, but I mean it's just like with the Pilsner beer, you know, like the city where I'm come from in Czech Republic, we have like the large brewery over there, so it's just like it's so much better. Also you can like work out in here. See, imagine this place, you know, like when the lights are on. But I don't have like time for this today because I want to just like spend, you know, like time like with my boyfriend as well. I have shoes, so I'm not sure, you know, like if I'm able, you know, like to go today to Batu Bolong, but let's start like with this, and tomorrow when I will have like more time I can, you know, like make another. Okay, so this is officially, you know, like the end like for today, you know, like I can go with you because as you can see